It's raining again. Pages feel softer tonight. Window crying silver streams, street light glowing in my dreams. Notebook open, pen in hand, trying hard to understand. Every sentence holds my fears, hidden in between the years. I don't speak, I let it show in the lines that slowly flow. Rain between the lines I read. Every word gives what I need. Quiet hearts and paper rooms, blooming softly in the lo-fi rhythm, slow embrace. Books become my safest place. When the night feels incomplete, paper hearts and rainy beats highlight dreams in faded gold. Some are new and some are old. Coffee rings and wrinkled sheets, tiny scars from past defeats. But every chapter that I keep helps my restless mind to sleep. Even storms that shake the sky turn gentle when the pages sigh. Between the lines I read, every word gives what I need. In the silence I can stay. Let the dark just drift away. Close the cover. Let it rest. Tomorrow I'll read the rest.